Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Google Sheets data to Grist automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you add a data to the Google Sheets, automatically the same data should be added as a record into the Grist account. But here the question is how to do this, because there is no direct connection between Google Sheets and Grist. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Google Sheet named Grist data and this is the Grist account. So now we want that whenever we add a data to this particular Grist data sheet, automatically a record should be created over here. So now let us add the details. I'll add the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number over here. Okay, now let us check the Grist account. And here we can see that the name Adam Smith, email address and the mobile number is automatically added as a record here in the Grist account. Now here you might be wondering that I just added a data here in my Google Sheet and automatically the same data is created as a record here in the Grist account. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Google Sheets and Grist, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Sheets with Grist automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect will capture all the data from the Google Sheets and using those details or the data, automatically a record will be created into the Grist account. And in this way, we are going to learn how we can create an integration between Google Sheets and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Google Sheets data to Grist automatically. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the data is added into the Google Sheets, automatically a record should be created into the Grist account. So in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Google Sheets. In the trigger event, let us select new or updated spreadsheet row. Now it has offered us a webhook URL and some instructions. So I have already created a Google Sheet. I'll open that. So this is the spreadsheet which I have already created named Grist data, where I have given the column name as first name, last name, email address and mobile number. So we are going to use this spreadsheet, and for creating an integration between this particular Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, we are going to use this webhook URL. So first we are going to simply copy this webhook URL from here. We will go back to the Google Sheet. Okay. Now come to the extensions tab and click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons. Now it has taken us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now here you can see that Pabbly Connect webhooks is already installed on my system. But you have to install Pabbly Connect webhooks on your system. Okay, I'll just close this window. After installing Pabbly Connect webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay. Now again come to extensions and this time come to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on Initial Setup. Here we have to give the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So we are going to paste the same webhook URL over here. Now it is asking for the trigger column. So let us read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So in my case, you can see that I have the data in column, I have the data in column A, B, C and D. So I want the data to be captured till column D. So in the trigger column, I will give the column name as column D. For example, say if you have the data till column H and you want the data to be captured till column H, so give the trigger column as column H over here. Okay. And now we have to click on send test. Okay, no data found in row 2 just because we haven't made any entry over here. So I'll just close this window and let us give the details over here. Let us add the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya. Let us give the email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com and I'll add her mobile number over here. And now let us go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, come to initial setup. Again we are going to paste the webhook URL and let's give the trigger column as column D and now let us click on send test. And here we can see test data sent successfully. Okay, now let's click on submit. Now again we have to go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and this time click on send on event option. So why we are selecting this option? Just because next time whenever the data is added to this particular sheet, Pabbly Connect will automatically capture the data. We don't have to link this sheet again and again. Okay. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll scroll down and here we can see that the response has been received. Here we can see the first name, last name, email address, mobile number, spreadsheet name, sheet name and all the details are captured over here. Now we want to create a record into the Grist account. For that, come to this action window and here in the application name, let us select it as Grist. In the action event, let us select create record. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the token. For that we have to go to the Grist account. So I have already logged into my Grist account. This is my Grist account. Here I'll come to the account settings and we have to move to profile settings. And here we can find the API key. So we have to simply copy this API key from here. We will go back to Pabbly Connect and we will paste the API key over here. Okay. And now let's click on save. And now the Grist account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the team. So I have created a team named personal which is automatically captured over here. Workspace is also captured because I have created just one workspace, that is home. Okay, here we have to select the document. So I'll just take you to the Grist account once again. I'll close this window. And here you can find the documents which I have created in the home. So I have created document 1, Google Sheet, contact and test doc. So I want to use this Google Sheet document. I'll open it. Okay. So we are going to select this Google Sheet document here in Pabbly Connect. Let us select the Google Sheet first. Okay, so the Google Sheet is selected as a document. Now here we have to select the table name. So I have created the table name Google Sheet record. So it has automatically captured over here. If you have created multiple tables, so from the drop down you can select the table name. As I have created just one table, so the name is automatically captured. Now here in the table, I have given the column name as first name, last name, email address and mobile number. If you want to give some more columns, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add the columns over here. Okay. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and here we are going to map the details that we want to fill into this particular record. Okay. So we have already got the data from Google Sheets over here. We are going to map these details now. Okay. So I'll map first name from Google Sheets, and the first name was Shikha. And let's map the email address, and this was the email address. Okay, let's map the mobile number, and this is the mobile number, and last name as Arya. Okay, and now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the responses received. Let us check the Grist account, and here we can see that the details are captured over here. Okay, so now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll again go to the Google Sheets and let us add the details over here. And this time I'll just add the name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta, email address as kuldeepg11@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number over here. Okay, now let us check the Grist account. And here we can see that Kuldeep Gupta is added as a new record here in the Grist account also. So now in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new data is added to the Google Sheet, automatically the same data should be created as a record into the Grist account. And here in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Sheets and Grist using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.